Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the BONOSS, which is based on the official channel. BONOSS Shell-type wheel bolts worth it. The BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 Shell-type wheel bolt kit adopts a two-piece design. The shell part is made of high-strength aluminum alloys with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Using alloy steel SCM 440 wheel bolts, reaching the ISO standard grade 12.9. Compared with ordinary wheel bolts, BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 Shell-type wheel bolt kits have higher strength and more color options, which brings beauty and ensures driving safety. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.